Well, finally, I got the furniture moved around in this area that's going to become, or has become already now, our indoor garden terrace area. Okay everybody, now I'm going to give you a quick run through of the indoor garden, how it's coming along. I've put one chair in the middle at the back wall facing the window with my painting behind and two high plants. There will be more here, and the devil's ivy will grow up all around the wall, and I will set layers out of wire so that it can grow along the wall and fill out the space, also along around that side and around the front and all the way around towards the TV area of the living room. So this is to show you what you can do with your space. Now I have a few plants that I've just put out, ones that I have around the apartment for now, but again, it's going to be much more green, lush and bold. I don't want to see hardly any white walls when I'm finished with this. Okay, I want it to feel like a forest canopy. So now I've done all that work, I think I deserve to sit here in the middle of my new terrace garden. It's actually really nice sitting the way I am now, with the chair, with the back, with the wall behind me, so there's nothing behind me. That's good feng shui. So I'm relaxed and I can see out in front of me. I can see the light of the sun reflecting off the buildings and the windows outside. I can see a little bit of the blue sky, and this bright light, the natural light in my eyes makes me feel good. And I have a display of plants at the bottom of the windowsill all the way across into the TV room area, and I'll have all the beautiful high plants around me here and pots all around the floor here and along the back of where the sofa is, so this is really going to feel like an indoor garden. I am looking forward to the future phases of this area. Now this area I'm probably going to be shooting a lot of videos from in the future, because I had another idea with the fact that I can roll up the carpet. It's great. I'll be able to repot plants in here and make videos and chop up plants in here and do all the things I love to do to show you how to work with your plants. So I'll be able to put plastic on the floor and work indoors, which means that's going to be great when it's the long cold winter time, when it's raining outside, when it's grey, or when I'm not at Crystal Cottage. I can sit here and feel like I'm in a garden doing the things that I love. I have my crystals around me, Buddha, crystal skulls, a dragon skull, lots of different plants, and I just feel wonderful. And you know what? I've just set myself out a nice cup of tea and a cookie, because I really think I deserve that now after all this work. And I have some juice. It's always good to have a juice or a smoothie around, and I'm just going to sit and enjoy this. So I really hope you enjoyed this video about how to make an indoor garden terrace area. Big or small, use what you've got, because that's what I've done here. So far I haven't been out and bought anything, but after I've had my cup of tea, I have itchy green fingers. Itchy green fingers. I am going to a store and I'm going to be buying me 1 or 2 big plants, and I'm going to have to take them home on my bike, because I don't have the car home at the moment. So this will be interesting. I just hope it's not windy out there so that I can take them along with me. I have some ideas of what I would really like. So thank you very much for watching. I hope this video was inspiring. Please remember to subscribe. I'll be very thankful for that. And let's help this journey go on. Please remember to write any questions and comments that you have below, so that I know what you want to hear about and see, and different ideas you have for me, and how I should make my videos. You know, I'm an amateur like so many of you out there, so this is just all fun and yeah, enjoying being with plants and crystals, because that is what I love. So thank you for watching Gardens and Crystals. Goodbye.